Introduction. The poem, Dead and the Cat and the Tree, by Kit Wright is a funny narrative poem about a dad trying to rescue a cat stuck in a tree. Dad thinks climbing the tree is very easy, but he keeps falling and failing. Mum keeps warning him to be careful. In the end, the cat jumps down safely, but Dad himself gets stuck in the tree. The poem is humorous and shows that being too confident can sometimes lead to funny problems. Summary. The story begins one morning when a cat gets stuck high up in a tree near the family's house. Dad quickly says that everyone should leave the problem to him because he believes he is a very good climber. However, the tree is very tall and wobbly, which means it is not steady. Mum becomes worried and tells Dad not to fall while climbing. Dad laughs at Mum's warning and says climbing the tree is child's play, meaning very easy for him. He feels very confident and wants to show everyone how skilled he is. First, Dad brings a ladder from the garden shed to climb the tree. But the ladder slips, and Dad falls into the flower bed. Even after falling, Dad does not give up. Dad brushes the dirt off his clothes and says they will try, plan B. Mum again warns him not to fall. Dad jokes about falling and acts as if there is no danger. Then he climbs onto a branch, but sadly the branch breaks. Dad falls heavily onto the ground again. Mum becomes even more worried and tells him he might break his neck if he continues. Still, Dad refuses to stop. He proudly announces plan C and again says climbing is easy for him. This time, he climbs onto the garden wall. Surprisingly, he does not fall. Then he makes a big jump and lands in the crook of the tree trunk right on top of the cat. The frightened cat gives a loud yell and quickly jumps safely to the ground. The cat feels very happy and safe after escaping. At the end of the poem, the cat is described as smiling, smirking, and smug because it feels pleased with itself. However, the funny ending is that Dad, who tried so hard to rescue the cat, becomes stuck in the tree himself. The poem is humorous because Dad is overconfident and keeps failing in funny ways. The poet uses rhyming words, funny expressions, and dramatic actions to entertain readers. The poem also teaches that people should not be too proud or overconfident. Answers to all questions. No. See Comprehension A. Question 1. Find two adjectives that describe the tree. Answer. The tree was wobbly and tall. Question 2. What two expressions does the poet use to tell us that Dad thought climbing the tree was easy? Answer. The poet uses child's play and easy as winking. Question 3. How do we know that Dad had more than one plan? Answer. The poem mentions plan B and plan C. Question 4. Which two sentences in the poem tell us where Dad landed? Answer. He landed in the flower bed. Dad landed wallop back on the deck. No. See Comprehension B. Question 1. Why does the poet use exclamation marks? Answer. To make the poem more exciting and funny. Question 2. What does Mum think about Dad climbing the tree? Answer. Mum thinks it is dangerous and worries that Dad may fall. Question 3. Which verbs and adjectives are most interesting? Answer. Words like wobbly, smirking, scoffed, and sprang are interesting because they make the poem lively and funny. Question 4. Which words and phrases are funniest? Answer. Child's play, easy as winking, and smug as can be are funny phrases. What about you? Question. Why is it important to laugh? Answer. Laughing makes people happy and relaxed. Question. How does laughing with someone make you feel? Answer. It makes people feel friendly and close. Question. How is laughing at someone different? Answer. Laughing at someone can hurt their feelings. No. A Comprehension A. Question. Which three sentences are true? Answer. Dad climbed onto the garden wall. The cat landed safely on the ground. Dad got stuck in the tree. No. A Comprehension B. Question 1. Which verse is the funniest? Answer. The ending is funniest because Dad gets stuck in the tree himself. Question 2. What phrases tell us how the cat feels? Answer. Pleased as punch, safe and sound, smiling, and smug. Question 3. Why does the poet use smiling, smucking, and smug? Answer. To show the cat feels proud and pleased after escaping safely. Question 4. How does the poet make the ending dramatic? Answer. The poet writes the last words one below another, stuck up. The 3. Teen. Grammar exercises solved. Question. Find adjectives in the poem. Answer. Wobbly, tall, funny, smug, pleased. Question. Find verbs in the poem. Answer. Climbed, landed, slipped, sprang, scoffed. Question. What type of poem is this? Answer. It is a narrative poem because it tells a story. Question. What does child's play mean? Answer. It means something very easy. Question. What does safe and sound mean? Answer. Safe from danger or harm. Important MCQs with answers. Who wrote the poem, Dead and the Cat and the Tree? Kit Wright. Shakespeare. John Keats. Roald Dahl. Answer. Kit Wright. What got stuck in the tree? Dog. Cat. Bird. Monkey. Answer. Cat. What type of poem is this? Narrative poem. Report. Essay. Drama. Answer. Narrative poem. What does wobbly mean? Strong. Unsteady. Fast. Tall. Answer. Unsteady. Who tried to rescue the cat? Mum. Dad. Brother. Gardener. Answer. Dad. What did Dad use first? Rope. Ladder. Chair. Stick. Answer. Ladder. Where did Dad land first? River. Flower bed. Roof. Grass. Answer. Flower bed. What does child's play mean? Dangerous. Easy. Hard. Funny. Answer. Easy. What happened to the branch? It bent. It broke. It disappeared. It moved. Answer. It broke. What does Mum think about Dad climbing? Safe. Funny. Dangerous. Exciting. Answer. Dangerous. What is plan B? First plan. Second plan. Final plan. Secret plan. Answer. Second plan. What does on the deck mean? On the roof. On the ground. In water. In tree. Answer. On the ground. What did Dad climb before jumping? Fence. Wall. Roof. Chair. Answer. Wall. Where did Dad land after jumping? On the cat. In water. On the roof. In grass. Answer. On the cat. What did the cat do after Dad landed? Slept. Jumped down. Climbed higher. Cried quietly. Answer. Jumped down. What does safe and sound mean? Angry. Injured. Safe. Lost. Answer. Safe. What does smug mean? Proud. Sad. Angry. Weak. Answer. Proud. What happened to Dad at the end? Went home. Slept. Got stuck in tree. Fell again. Answer. Got stuck in tree. Why is the poem funny? Dad keeps failing. Cat talks. Mum climbs. Tree moves. Answer. Dad keeps failing. What is the mood of the poem? Sad. Funny. Scary. Serious. Answer. Funny. What does scoffed mean? Cried. Made fun of. Slept. Whispered. Answer. Made fun of. Which adjective describes the tree? Short. Wobbly. Tiny. Broken. Answer. Wobbly. Which word means jumped quickly? Slipped. Sprang. Smucked. Brushed. Answer. Sprang. Why did Mum worry? Cat was angry. Dad could fall. Tree was short. Ladder was new. Answer. Dad could fall. What does smucking mean? Loud laugh. Silly smile. Crying. Sleeping. Answer. Silly smile. Which expression means very pleased? Safe and sound. Child's play. Pleased as Punch. On the deck. Answer, pleased as Punch. What kind of story does the poem tell? Adventure. Funny family story. Mystery. Horror. Answer, funny family story. What did Dad brush off? Water. Leaves. Dirt. Paint. Answer, dirt. What feeling does the cat have at the end? Fear. Pride. Anger. Sadness. Answer, pride. What lesson does the poem teach? Never help animals. Don't be overconfident. Trees are dangerous. Cats are smarter. Answer, don't be overconfident.